Hi everybody, welcome back to One to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can change channel name on YouTube. So to get started, go ahead and open up YouTube application and the homepage will look somewhat like this. So here, go ahead and tap on the U button which is appear on the bottom right corner. So here you can see the option view channel. Go ahead and tap on it. So here you can see the option manage videos and the dashboard, and here also you can see the pencil button on the screen. Go ahead and tap on that pencil icon. That option is represented as a edit. Go ahead and tap on it. So here you get the channel settings. Here you can either change your name, handle or channel URL, description or privacy. So here we have to change our name. So what we can do is tap on name. So you can only change your name once in a 14 or 15 days. So if your YouTube channel is verified or there is blue tick and you want to change your name, then your YouTube channel will lose the verification. So here you can just write whatever name you want to change to and save the changes. So we'll successfully help you change name on YouTube. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.